Gold saw gains of nearly $50 on Friday after a very turbulent week. October employment report and signs that China could be easing its COVID-0 policies pushed prices higher. Here's a look at Kitco's top 3 stories of the week. At number 3. Gold's much-needed turnaround comes after 7 months of losses. This is the longest losing streak in more than 5 decades. Analysts, of course, blamed a higher US dollar and rising treasury yields for the underperformance. But things began to shift after the latest employment report showed that despite a resilient job market, the unemployment rate is starting to rise. At number 2. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell sent mixed signals after the US Central Bank raised rates by 75 basis points for the 4th time in a row. Markets were surprised by the confusing messaging. On the dovish side, Powell said that the US Central Bank would now take into account the cumulative tightening, as well as potential lags with which monetary policy affects inflation and economic activity. On the hawkish side, the Fed chair stressed that the ultimate level of rates will need to be higher than previously expected. He also added that the window for a soft landing has narrowed. And coming in at number 1. Central banks bought a record amount of gold during the last quarter, and a large percentage of those purchases belongs to mystery buyers. Central banks bought nearly 400 tons of gold in the 3rd quarter. This is the most on record and 300% higher than last year. That's according to the World Gold Council. The total for the year is also impressive, with 673 tons purchased, the most than in any other year since 1967. That's when the US dollar was still backed by gold. Turkey, Uzbekistan, and Qatar were the biggest known buyers. But a sizable proportion of those purchases was from mystery buyers. The World Gold Council describes it as unreported buying, as not all banks reveal their gold activity. Countries that are known to do so include Russia and China. And that's a look at our top 3 stories of the week. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and for more headlines, check out Kitco.com.